Hi, my Pentair IntelliChlor Ic40 cell needs to either be cleaned or replaced. It's 6 seasons old. I have a pool, 14,500 gallons. If I decide to replace it with a Pentair iChlor cell, can you suggest what size I should get? Also, my pool company wants to charge me to replace my current cell with the same one. After watching your video, I think I could change it out myself. Is it really as easy as it seems? Thanks in advance.
Yes. I mean, why would you want to go with the iChlor system and change it out? I would just, what'd she have, an Ic40?
Yes,
And it's a 14,500 gallon?
that's what she says.
Yeah, then, I mean, because you could even downsize to an Ic20, but I mean, I would stay with the size that it has, because I don't know what size transformer or whatever you're running. But not knowing the rest of your setup, also, I don't know how easy the iChlor transition would be, since I haven't ran as much of them. But it really is that simple, as far as, like, if you gotta get a new Ic40, then you just turn the power off, and then you unplug the cord coming from the salt cell, which just has a little nut on it that you unscrew and you pull it straight down, whether it is off an Easy Touch or something, or a transformer. And then there's 2 unions on both sides of the cell that you loosen up, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You loosen up, pull it off, and then the new one you just stick back in there, tighten it up, and then line the teeth of the plug up with wherever you had unplugged the last one. Stick it in and screw the nut to make sure that it's tight. In general, it's pretty simple. I don't know if your system's below water level and you have to make sure that the water's not going to drain out or something when you pull the cell out. So I mean, there's a lot of other factors, but in general, it's a pretty simple job.